We are going to take a look at a Black Brothers Model 775 32-inch top and bottom hot melt glue spreader. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a Black Brothers top and bottom hot melt glue spreader. It has a 32-inch width capacity and a 5.5-inch thickness capacity. The Dr. rolls are in very good condition. The price listed reflects that the 2 applicator rolls need to be recovered, or we can have them recovered for you for an extra cost and reinstall. Please contact us with your specifications, as we do not recover rolls until a machine is sold, as these machines are very application specific, meaning type of material, which is usually silicone or a blend, and durometer. This Model 775 heats up and runs as it should. Setting the thermostat at 300 degrees, we were able to take our Fluke thermal imaging gun and measure around 300 degrees at the actual journals. We could not measure the Dr. rolls because our thermal imaging gun does not work well on reflective surfaces, and those Dr. rolls are chrome plated.